Croissant itself is a big story. There is a big fuss about it. It's croissant or croissants and many names, many different pronunciation. I call it croissant, quite French. Start with our dough. We are doing here as a demands of my chefs. We are doing croissant. I don't get those fancy French flours, so we are using a very regular all-purpose flour. I am adding salt to it, and I'm gonna mix the salt in it. Okay, I got my eggs and activate it with little bit of sugar and some water. So you let your yeast dissolve. All the ingredients dissolve with your flour. Let it mix it well. Very important while you're mixing the croissant dough or the bread dough, you'll ensure the right temperature to it. I doesn't like my temperature to reach 24 or 25. 23 is a good temperature, and my dough is rightly about to finish. The dough is ready. As you can see, it has a nice. We're gonna chill it for 6 hours. Dough is ready. As you see, the temperature is the most important part of this croissant making, and I'm gonna give it a good, nice book fold. I'm gonna give it a punch from the rolling pin, so my butter is break evenly. And now we're going to give it a roll on the machine again. Now we're gonna fold this same dough to 3 times. First sitting will be the book fold. This is a book fold. This will go back to refrigerator below 5 degrees Celsius, and we'll wait for 4 more hours for second sheeting. 8 to 9 centimeter width here. So it doesn't do only just the baking or keeping your food hot or grill or bake anything. It does proving as well. And my croissant is good to go. Here we are. Our croissants are almost proof. As you can see, it's bubbling around in the tray, and you can jiggle the croissant. And this is how it indicates that croissants are proved well. So I'm going to apply egg wash gently through the breads. Here it is.